Hey everybody, welcome back to GothOnBudget, and today we're making dollar store terrariums. I got this guy at at 99-cent store, my bad. And it's actually on sale, so I only got it for 99 cents compared to the $1.99 it says it is. This guy is plastic. That little circle piece you're going to need for the bottom part. You're going to need some herbs, insects, whatever you want to put in your terrarium. I also got some dragonflies that my twin brother gave me. I also need some greenery, so I recommend some moss. This was from the Dollar Tree. And some roses, or some flowers. And next you need is your skull. What? No. Stop. No. No, we don't need that. Okay, so this raccoon skull actually came from the Indian store across the street from me. They're actually super cool. And this is actually super cheap. I believe it was only like $5. I was gonna need some hot glue, your glue gun. Okay, so we're gonna use our cardboard that's cut out into a circle, matching the dome thing, terrarium, my bad. And I'm just hot gluing the moss pieces I have onto the cardboard, using a popsicle stick that's gonna help me not burn my fingers. I'm just doing a kind of like a pre-setup. Although it's kind of too late on that. I also got to pre-measure other stuff. You'll find out later. So I also found these rocks on the beach here in Oceanside. Completely free. So I hate how some rocks look really pretty when they're wet, but when they're dry they look super ugly. These are kind of some of them, although that green one I really do love. I keep making sure that this is gonna fit the top part. I always forget. Adding some, I'm gonna say fresh dried flowers, and it's been a couple months. So I'm adding some roses that are from my anniversary bouquet, and along with this yellow rose that I got from one of my friends. I'm also gonna use this dragonfly. Originally I was gonna glue it on top of the skull, but I'm actually gonna use this black wire. You can actually find some black wire at the Dollar Tree too. I have a bunch of bundles. You didn't see it on the camera, but I actually pierced the wire through the middle of the body of the dragonfly. I recommend you be super careful. It was really nerve-wracking for me. That's why I did it off camera in case I broke it. So sadly, the yellow rose did not fit, so I went with a sunflower. Close enough. So this is where I forgot to pre-measure the wire. It wound up being too long later. So this is pretty much pointless, but I fix it later. This is before putting the top piece on top. I like how it just slides in and then you just twist it and it's super locked in. I just keep adjusting the bottom part so that none of the flowers died. And you're all set. I wish the ring light didn't make it look weird, but I love it. It's the creepiest thing in my house right now. Along with the next one. So here's another term I made using a rose skull that a couple of friends gave to me. I did a whole process myself. I scraped all the fleshy bits, and I used hydrogen peroxide and a mixture of water. Let it sit there for a couple weeks to finally bleach. You'll also be needing a foam core. That's optional. The pebbles and the base, along with the flowers and herbs. So these pebbles, I think they were used for fish stuff. I don't know. I'll just place them on the bottom. I was going to use the foam core, but like I said, it's optional. It just didn't fit into the thing, and I was too lazy to cut it up. Also forgot to grab all my herbs. And I said to grab herbs. I threw some thistle in there, along with eucalyptus leaves and some baby's breath. Using the moss, I'm going to cover up the bottom part. Not really. I'm also using some beach rocks. I am really missing the beach right now. So I'm just gently placing things on where I want them. I do a lot of rearranging, so I'm sorry if you're trying to keep up with me. These long tweezers I had. I usually use these for beadwork, but my arms were getting tired trying to fit my hand into the top. Carefully place your herbs, your flowers, and whatnots gently around the skull. I noticed I kind of broke a bit off the side of the eye socket. My bad. Blue thistles. These were spray painted by my friend Bruna when she was working at a flower shop next to me. They're cute because they're blue and they have little bits of gold. I had to go get rose petals over there. I thought roses would be really cute. Stick with the theme. Plus they're my favorite flower. And a little more readjusting. And instead of rocks, you can always add crystals to them. I think next time when I make one, I want to add some amethyst or some clear quartz. And that's it, folks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, guys, stay spooky. Wow.